Welcome to my channel Flights Assistance. Boeing faces new quality control issues on 787 and 777 jets. By Michael Laries, aviation correspondent. Boeing is facing scrutiny over yet another potential quality control lapse involving its troubled 787 Dreamliner and 777 wide-body jets. The issue relates to concerns over the proper manufacturing of a key aluminum component that is used on both aircraft models. The aluminum pieces in question are known as outer latch fittings and are installed in sections near the aircraft doors. They play a crucial role in securing the doors and ensuring proper pressurization and safety during flight. An improperly formed outer latch fitting could potentially fail to hold doors closed or result in decompression issues. According to multiple insiders familiar with the matter, certain latch fittings produced over the past 3 years at Boeing's Auburn, Washington plant did not meet precise aerospace specifications during the metal overmolding process. The fittings have already been installed on dozens of delivered 787s and current 777 production models. This is a critical flight safety component that cannot be made outside of exacting parameters, said one veteran Boeing manufacturing employee with knowledge of the situation. There are serious concerns about the integrity of the affected fittings installed on delivered airplanes. Boeing revealed it had been reviewing certification records and manufacturing quality records related to this component as part of its ongoing efforts to prioritize safety, quality and supplier oversight. However, few additional details have been provided. We have issued instructions to inspection teams to further complicate a revalidation of records and processes, a Boeing spokesperson stated. Our teams are working to ensure all 787s and 777s conform to Boeing's long-standing commitment to safety, quality and compliance. The Federal Aviation Administration, which certified the component and must approve any substantive fixes, said it is inspecting records and manufacturing processes at Boeing as part of its own safety oversight protocols. The FAA's top priority is ensuring Boeing's entire aircraft manufacturing process, as well as its completed airplanes, meet all certification standards, the agency said. We continue to engage with Boeing as this issue is reviewed. This latest manufacturing deficiency is just one of a series of setbacks and repair campaigns that have plagued Boeing's 787 Dreamliner program since its troublesome debut over a decade ago. Issues have included improperly oversized shims that created gaps between the 787's carbon fiber fuselage sections, as well as structural defects near the flight deck windows. For several months last year, Boeing was forced to halt all 787 deliveries as it conducted extensive inspections and retrofits. Air quality issues caused by industrial sealants and other interior materials have also raised safety concerns about potential crew and passenger exposure. Just last month, Boeing confirmed these air quality issues would keep the 787 grounded until an FAA-approved redesign can be implemented later this year. However, the new question surrounding the 777's outer latch fittings represents a fresh blow to the company's reputation for quality manufacturing. The 777 is Boeing's long-serving cash cow aircraft and profit engine. Any slips that force significant rework or lengthy delivery delays could prove devastating to Boeing's strained financials and credibility. Quality escape issues like this are absolutely unacceptable no matter which program they impact, said John McDonald, a veteran aerospace quality expert and former Boeing manufacturing oversight leader. This calls into serious question whether Boeing's systemic organizational deficiencies first exposed on the 737 MAX program extend much more broadly across their production operations. It seems they still haven't gotten a handle on supplier surveillance and robust process control monitoring. The troubled origins of Boeing's outer latch fittings stem from the company's 2015 decision to consolidate production previously conducted by an experienced aerospace supplier. In an effort to cut costs and vertically integrate more operations in-house, Boeing moved the manufacturing to its own Alcoa aluminum overmolding facility in Auburn. Insiders claim aggressive production schedules and cost pressures soon began impacting meticulous quality standards at the high-stakes facility. Proper review processes, testing and detection controls were allegedly lacking during the transition period and persisted in subsequent years as staff numbers dwindled further. They cut corners left and right on staffing, oversight and validation testing on these fittings, claimed one source directly involved with the Auburn programs. It's a miracle one hasn't failed catastrophically yet, causing a horrific incident. If the FAA determines the affected latch fittings are not airworthy, it could force immense logistical and financial disruptions for Boeing. Hundreds of new and delivered 787 and 777 aircraft may need to have the suspect fittings removed and reworked or outright replaced at tremendous cost. Such a scenario could also lead to temporary grounding or flight restrictions. This has all the makings of a perfect storm that could hit Boeing square in the face, said Richard Avalafia, Managing Director of Aerodynamic Advisory. They desperately need to get in front of this and demonstrate their revised oversight processes can be trusted before the FAA is forced to take disruptive actions in the interest of safety. For Boeing, the timing could not be worse as they continue struggling to maintain sufficient 787 inventory for deliveries given the year-long pause. The company is also facing increasing competition from Airbus as the European plane maker prepares to bring its advanced A350 and A321XLR aircraft to market over the next 2 years. The new quality conformance issues will only amplify calls for more forceful FAA oversight and consideration of separating Boeing's aircraft manufacturing further. Top FAA officials are already grappling with concerns over its own safety organization's mistakes in certifying the fatally flawed 737 MAX design. This latest shoe dropping on Boeing raises disturbing echoes of the same ethical rot trickling down from management to the production floor, said Paul Hudson, a member of the FAA's Safety Oversight and Certification Advisory Committee. It may be time to consider establishing a separate spacecraft and missiles division, as Boeing clearly cannot maintain consistent safety cultures across all its programs. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.